Blessed day everyone. So, February, no? February na tayo lahat and love is in the air, sabi nila. But of course, every month naman, every day pwede tayong magmahalan. Tsaka when we talk about love, it's not just about romantic love, right? So for this impromptu video session, I just like to share with you yung aming focus advocacy for this month. So for for February, ang aming focus advocacy sa First Services is financial literacy and entrepreneurial mindset. And again, as we always say, no, holistic lagi dapat yung approach, no, dahil totoo naman ganun ang buhay, ang ating pagkatao. So, noong January, diba, it's about holistic health, particularly physiological health. So, connected pa rin dito. Kasi, again, no, we invest in our health. At the same time, health is one of our best wealth, no, along with time. Diba? So, maganda yan, no, na as we invest in our health, we also venture into other needs, no, lalo na sa ating economic dimension. We have to also grow that. That's why napakahalaga ng entrepreneurial mindset, whether you're working or not, whether you're a student or you're a business person, napakahalaga po. Or even an advocate, no, to sustain, diba? We need it to sustain our lives, to provide for our family, and also to sustain our advocacy, as well as kung ano man yung mga wants and especially our needs, and even yung mga operations ng mga companies and organizations. So yun po, huwag nating kalimutan, no, na as we invest in our physiological health, I hope we also venture into passive income, other source of income, using our blessing from God, using our talent from God, so that all the more we can share to more people around us, especially our fellow Filipinos, lalo na yung mga nangangailangan. So thank you very much for listening and see you sa next na impromptu video session. God bless!